be full of water. And they had to do a little layout too. But this is where we're going to be today. We got another wide footing to dig on the left over here, and I'll finish digging this elevator pit, I guess, first. Yeah, that hole had a lot of water in it last night. Goodness. Alright, I'm going to start out on this side over here. Kind of trying to work my way out of here. We've only got one little road in and out for hauling dirt, so I'm sitting at an angle here so I can keep the path clear ahead or behind me. So go ahead and try to square up this side here as best we can, and then I'll probably have to change positions a couple more times when we get done. But this is my corner layout. I want to be sure and get this squared off so I know where that corner's at. Be sure and get a nice square cut down this one side here so we don't lose that layout. That's when you're messing around it like this, pretty easy to lose the layout. When the conditions are like these, digging harder rock and that kind of stuff, well, you know, just kind of, the layout's hard to keep when you're having to haul dirt out and move around. But that hole was almost halfway up on that wall of water, so there's a pretty good amount of water in there. Some good Oklahoma red shale, a little bit of clay. That corner cut down below the shelf grade, and then I'll probably go ahead and dig a shelf. And I probably need to dig we're going to need to dig a sump out on this thing somewhere so they can pump it continuously, because they've got to get in here and waterproof this dirt before they pour concrete. So I guess it's safe to say you can't waterproof something that's full of water. I'm getting down to the hard layer right here, so this will come out in chunks, kind of like that. It's hard to dig through that stuff. It's easier to peel it out. There's a lot of it right here that's pretty hard. That's some ideal shale right there for driveways, or once you bust that up a little bit, that's some good stuff. looks like this is one of the hard layers we got right here. It comes out in pretty good chunks. Some of them are thicker than others, but it's pretty fun stuff. It's just all, they're having to pump it continuously. It's just filling up with water as we dig. When we got here this morning, that was up to the top of the piers. Alright, I'm over here on another side and trying to square up this wall. I can't reach all the way across, so I had to kind of dig part of it and then stop, come back to it. And just to kind of show you some of the stuff I'm getting into, this is some of the harder stuff here. And you can you can see that where that grate stick's sitting right there, that was a natural fracture in that shale, and it just kind of fell apart just like that right there. So the thing about this shale is if you're digging a trench, it's really hard to get through it. But the way we're digging this hole out here, you know, it's a lot easier because you can get to a fracture and just pull it out. So it's coming out in pretty good chunks, but it's interesting to see how it's, you know, that fracture is just exactly straight. And there's, you know, who knows how far that crack would go if I hadn't dug that out. I mean, it may go all the way underneath the airport terminal, or who knows. It's kind of neat to see stuff like that, I guess. We did change elevations. They decided they needed to put more gravel in the bottom so they can get rid of all this water. So I had to go back and start digging down a little deeper. Now, one of the problems with that, they wanted to go 3 inches. And this shale has some layers in it that are 6 and 8 and 10 and 12. Well, just so happens I was right on top of about a 6-inch layer, so when I try to dig 3 inches out, it wants to go on down to 6. So kind of making a mess out of it, but it's going to be all right. Okay, we're taking out, I already took it out, the damn camera died. But the reason I wanted to leave that there, so that we would, I'd have a reference point for this last straight wall here. This little shelf on this side is actually a continuation of that footing I dug on the other side of this depot. So we're gonna, instead of stair stepping or, you know, just a bench for a shelf, we're digging a footing on this side. So they'll have to form one side of that footing up. And then we got another 8-foot wide footing on the other side over there that goes all the way down to just about 20 foot deep, and then we're digging another 7 feet here. So we're getting down there pretty deep. Lots of digging. That's a good job. Like I said earlier, I'm blessed to have it. I feel privileged to get this kind of work. And I try not to take it for granted. I think, you know, given the opportunity, I'll do my best. And if I ever quit doing that, I'm sure it'll all be over. They don't keep you around if you're just coasting.